boxing video. So, yeah.
CP, dude.
Yeah. Yo, kid riding on insurance like whatever though. Say you got a bad chick, mine's look better though. Got her on lock, but I swear we ain't together though. She just gon' ride with a nigga till I let it go. Rapping what I'm living, man, the shit I spit is medical. Soothing to the mind like Cali Green, that's medical. Young boy fly, then that time I ate an edible. Keep going up like a kite when you let it go. I be on some new shit, new chick from Mexico. Tryna have kids, I told her I wasn't ready though. Yeah, they ain't know me like Shawty Low. Me and Juan Josh, did they know better than Shawty Low? You niggas be playing, so I had to hit the audible. Touchdown pass, old crowd going rowdy though. Rockin' that shit, got me looking like a potty gold. Hit the jackpot, now we poppin', it's a party ho. I just want it all, so I can have enough to give. No more worrying at all, baby, I just wanna live. We can go to the mall, then we back to the crib. Then you can tell your friends that you relax with the kid. Lay back, did it big, can I live?
More fly than I ever been. You just mad you never been. Bitches at the telly getting freaky like they lesbian. And they notice everything I kick incredible. Mac Miller here with the homie Mr. Vegetables. Most dope general, I know you see us on tour. Do a 30 minutes set, the people want more. And that's an encore, a show run late. Bitches give me head trying to find out how my cum tastes. I ain't talking about the jeweler saying fuck Jake. iPhone on me for my Sports Center updates. Oh, the Steelers won again. And groupies rolling through, I tell them bring 100 friends. It's good, we out in Cali. And Casey, that's my homie. We cooler than Modi. It's CG Macaroni. Shorty wanna ride a pony. Tell her give me brain, no teeth. Boy, we party all night and we don't sleep.
So I can have enough to give. No more worrying at all, baby, I just wanna live. We can go to the mall, then we back to the crib. Then you can tell your friends that you relax with the man. Lay back, did it big, can I live? Got up his endurance by the cheddar though. Got the chick in her bare ass, Mexico. Rappers off that cheap gas, got that shit from Texaco. Rapping till you 30, don't really know how to let it go. Yeah, my father had to let me know everything he did was situations to help me grow. As a young kid, little shit make you miserable. Now I'm grown up, told that man that I'm about to blow. Once I get going, it's no stopping, they ruin me so stop. Wasn't aware that my flow proper, but it is for show. Once you make up your mind, man, you can get the dough. Just split up your time and clock in, you grow. I talk about uplifting shit, plus all the chicks I hit, plus the one girl I love, she know exactly who she is. Sincerely raps, hope you hearing me. My future's so bright that it's scaring me. I just want it all, so I can have enough to give. No more worrying at all, baby, I just wanna live. We can go to the mall, then we back to the crib. Then you can tell your friends that you relax with the kid. Lay back, did it big, and I live. Aw man, yeah, aw man.
Oh, I love this. It came with 3 stickers too.
It's Young Veggies, Mac Miller, young kids, but we killing them. Damn. Hey, aw man, hey, I said it, aw man, yeah, again. Jump around in the motherfucking booth right now. I said me and my niggas was in the cut like rubbing alcohol. Shaded up with a girl or two, not a worry at all. I'm with them niggas in LA that you know about. From a girlfriend and word of mouth, and only name come out her mouth. To the south, Texas State, yeah, that's where my family at. Deep up in the country, homie, where people be burning trash, rolling by, feeling hella good. I've been up in Inglewood since Papa's went to Inglewood. Went from hood to hood, love it there. Taught me how to be a man. Hear them dudes rapping about it, but really they don't understand. I come from a little something, but the streets taught me how to be a man. Hear them dudes rapping about it, but really they don't understand. Girls come around, man, they tryna get it out me. Niggas in my face, they don't know nothing about me. Most these niggas fake, I say it loud, say said probably. We got money to make, and we don't trust anybody, yeah. Said we don't trust anybody, Said we don't trust anybody, yeah. Said we don't trust anybody, I said we don't trust anybody. I said high school, 11th grade, CDs in my backpack. Whoever needed that, they got it. Next time they come back, they on it. Most these chickens acting on it, loving how I'm tapping on it. Niggas hit me up, yeah, they loving how I'm rapping on it. Said I will attack a track and this gon' need a rapping lawyer. Charge me for assault, look at all the shit I bought. I'm always trying to floss, and when I get it, I'ma do it right, straight shining on them lanes. From the morning to the night, from the morning to the night, I take that hurt, taking flight. Yeah, that's that LA shit, youngest on they playlist. Jordans in the gold chain, Illmatic pumping. Nas did it first, and now I'm about to tell them something. They all up in my face when I walk up in the function. Them girls wasn't dancing, but now they all jumping. I said Jordans in the gold chain, Illmatic pumping. Nas did it first, and now I'm about to tell them something. Veggies. Girls come around, man, they tryna get it out me. Niggas in my face, they don't know nothing about me. Most these niggas fake, I say it live, say it probably. We got money to make, and we don't trust anybody, yeah. Say we don't trust anybody, Say we don't trust anybody, yeah. Say we don't trust anybody, Say we don't trust anybody, yeah.
Hey girl, what's your name? Do you wanna suck a dick? Who am I? Wolf Haley. Yeah, I'm known for punching bitches in the fucking brain. Do you wanna give me some? No, you don't. Why you won't? Oh, you're a fucking nun. Didn't mean to offend. Oh, you're a lesbian. So I'm guessing you don't really like to put your trust in men. Who do I trust? Heroin addicts and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Yeah, I could count on them. Who was him? Sliding through in a suit, green 6-panel cap with the green brim. It's box logo this, box logo that. Usually a Caucasian, big swallowing a cat. Oh snaps, I am spitting like I got chip tooth. Pop some Prozac, Golf Wayne, nigga know that. Or that can turn into some next, getting snapped up properly. Tyler Creator and Casey Veggies, fuck broccoli.
Girls come around, man, they tryna get it out me. Niggas in my face, they don't know nothing about me. Most these niggas fake, I say it live, say it probably. We got money to make, and we don't trust anybody, yeah. Say we don't trust anybody, Say we don't trust anybody, yeah. Say we don't trust anybody, I said we don't trust anybody, yeah.
Don't trust anybody, nigga. Not even your family. I'm serious.
This is the first video that I'm gonna upload on my channel soon, so yeah. Follow me or subscribe me or whatever to get me subscribers so you can watch more of my videos. And yeah, I'm gonna try put a video up soon, but like it's not gonna be a constant flow of videos like every week, because I'm not sure if I have the time for that because of my school and GCSEs and stuff and bubble wrap.